If you want to be jewelry CAD designer and are not so sure where to start, this is the video to help you to get your foot into the door. The most important skill and knowledge you need to have besides knowing how to do 3D model and hand sketching is understand how to 3D model for stone setting properly and understand the production process, especially for stone setting in jewelry design. Many of you know me on PJ Chen Design channel. You know my teaching style and structure. My name is PJ Chen. I've been bench jeweler since 1999 that helped my CAD model to be production friendly. I'm also teaching medicine jewelry in the college for 15 years, so I know how to deliver the material to students. On top of that, I'm an authorized Rhino 3D trainer. With all my expertise, I would like to offer you a course that is going to help you to level up your jewelry design skill. It is Rhino 6 Jewelry Stone Setting 3D Modeling course. This is a very practical course if you are a new designer to jewelry industry or you just want to gain more knowledge for stone setting in CAD design. I will show you a step-by-step illustration of how stone is set in the reality. I will also show you how to model different type of a stone with Rhino 6. There will be a lot of discussion on the design guideline for 3D printing. This course covers bezel set, prong set, B set, pave set, micro pave, channel set, flush setting, halo, and cluster set. This will be the most comprehensive Rhino 6 stone setting 3D modeling course that you can find on the market. If you are not sure this is the right course for you, check out the link and preview part of the course for free. Sign up the course now with first 100 students will have $50 off with coupon code STONE50. Thank you and see you online.